Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm at Palace Belvedere, and I'm going to go inside and I'm going to go see the museum and go see Klimt, which is the Kiss, and it's going to be amazing, and I can't wait, and I'm really excited. The insides look spectacular. So let's go inside together and I'll show you everything I can show you. Let's do it. Bye-bye. I am the first person in here, and I'm going to go straight to the Kiss. Isn't it nice to be the first guy here? It's probably just that I walk too fast. And I think she said it was this way. I guess everybody's running to it. Wow. Everybody's running. Wow. That's pretty. And here it is. And there it is. Nice. Amazing.
한번 찍어드릴 수 있어요?
네, 같이 찍어요. 우리 잠깐만 한 번만 찍고.
I'm going to take a picture of myself here. Wow. Sorry, I'm trying to take pictures and do videos at the same time, so pretty amazing.
계속 찍어주시면은 가로로 한 번만 찍어주시면.
Wow. Wow, wow. Very cool. Okay, I'm going to see if these people will take a picture for me. I'll be right back. All right, everybody. I moved on from that one, and now I'm at the Judas. And this is Judith, sorry. And this is Klimt as well. And it's pretty famous. Pretty amazing. Yeah, incredible, incredible. Wow. So there is just tons of things in here. He also said this was famous. And what is this? This is Claude Monet. Can you see that? Claude Monet? And that's Claude Monet. Wow. Wow, wow. Very cool. Wow. So much to see, huh? Let me get a picture of this sign here for you, too, so you can see it. Judith, 1901. Wow. Let me ask the guy again. Can I ask again?
Yes,
So if that's 1 and 2 and 3, what do you think else would be amazing?
We have the other room is Egon Schiele, I think, yeah?
Yeah.
Egon Schiele is the other side.
Egon Schiele is here left.
Turn left.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, guys. You guys are wonderful. Thank you. Wow. Well, the whole place is just like crazy spectacular. Wow. And they said left. Wow. Wow. Excuse me. Pardon me. Oh, he's got headphones on. I don't know what they called it. You know, it's funny, I don't speak German, so it's tough. So I guess I'm just going to wing it. But look how pretty the rooms are. Wow. Wow, wow. Oh my gosh, look at this room. Oh my gosh, okay. Wow, wow. Thanks again, bro. Good man. Good pictures, too. Wow. Look at that. That's incredible. Wow, 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 wow. Amazing. In every room, the ceilings are very cool too. Look at this one. Wow. That's pretty crazy. Martin Schmidt, Franz Janik. Franz Janik, who is this? What is this? Franz Janik. This is Joseph Mittelforfen. That glare is a tough one. No matter how I go, it's you get a glare. Everyday and staged worlds. Okay. I'm trying to go slow enough, but fast enough so that we can get through most of this, or at least some of this. This might be one of the places you have to come back to, I think. What else? Where was that other painting? I couldn't find it.
The other famous, we have Napoleon is the other side.
The other side, so
Yes.
keep going
If
this
you
way?
go, keep going to the left, you will see that.
Okay, and what's it
In
called?
first one, Napoleon.
Napoleon. Okay, thank you again. Napoleon, okay. look in this room before I leave. Napoleon, Napoleon, Napoleon. Oh, and I think I've seen some of these before. Sorry. Oh, that glare is tough. This one too. Napoleon? Napoleon? Yes. Okay, thank you. Wow. See if I can get it without the glare. That's a good picture there. I like that one. This one is
It's not allowed to film to make photo. You can.